Hello, and welcome to today's session, where we'll delve into the use of optional for error handling in Java streams. Our focus will be on providing a comprehensive guide that caters to senior-level developers. We'll explore how optional can be utilized to handle potential errors gracefully, ensuring robust and maintainable code. Let's get started. Before we dive into streams, let's briefly recap what optional is. Introduced in Java 8, optional is a container object used to represent the presence or absence of a value. It's a great tool for avoiding null pointer exceptions and provides a more expressive way of handling optional values. In this example, getValue might return a null, but wrapping it in optional ensures that we handle the absence of a value more gracefully. Now, let's integrate optional into Java streams. Streams provide a powerful way to process sequences of elements, and optional can be a valuable ally in managing errors or absent values during stream operations. Let's bisect the example. Step 1. Stream creation. We start by creating a stream from a list of names, which includes a null value. Step 2. Mapping to optional. We use map optional of nullable to wrap each element in an optional. Step 3. Filtering. We filter out absent values using filter optional is present. Step 4. Unwrapping. Finally, we unwrap the optional objects and print the non-null names using for each system.out.println. This approach ensures that null values are safely handled without causing exceptions. Let's explore some advanced methods provided by optional that can further enhance error handling in streams. Or-else method provides a default value if the optional is empty. If-present method executes a block of code if a value is present. Map and flatMap method transform the value if present. Let's recap this syntax again. Or-else sets a fallback value to avoid null checks. If present allows executing specific logic only when a value exists. Map and flatMap useful for transforming values without unwrapping them explicitly. These methods provide a concise and expressive way to handle optional values within streams.
Let's postmortem the code step by step. First, we will create class named optional stream example. Main method is an entry point of program execution. Creates a list of strings containing Alice, Bob, a null value, and Charlie. Concentrate on the stream processing. It is very important. Names.stream converts the list into a stream for functional style operations. Using map, wraps each element of the stream in an optional. This means that non-null values will be wrapped in optional.value, and null values will be wrapped in optional.empty. Using filter, filters out any optional that is empty. Later, unwraps the optional to retrieve the actual value inside. Finally, prints each non-null values to the console. Using system.out.println, let's recap this program. This code effectively handles a list of strings that may contain null values by using optional to avoid null pointer exception. It demonstrates a clean and functional approach to processing collections with potentially null elements.